Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were in our chapter number 11, perimeter and area. And in this chapter, we were doing our last exercise, that is 11.4. Now, today we will start from question number 6. So the question is, two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angle like this. They are two crossroads of width 10 meter. Cut at right angle through the center of a rectangular park. That means it should be like this. Now the question is, the length and breadth of park is given. Find the area of the road. We have to find the area of the road. So what we can do? First we have to find the area of this rectangular field. Then we can find out this. How? Because we know that its width is 10 meter. That is its width. This is of 10 meter. And this length is the breadth of rectangular field, that is 300 meter. So in this way we can find the area of this path. Similarly, to find the area of this path, we know that its width is 10 meter and its length is the length of rectangular field, that is 700 meter. And we can easily find the area of this road also. But you can see that this portion is occurring in both the roads. So what we have to do? We have to find the area of this road, then this road, and we have to then add both of their areas to find the area of the roads. But we have to subtract this portion once. Okay? And we know that it is a square with side 10 meter. So let's see how we have to do it. After that, what we also have to find? Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads. So after that, we can easily find the area of the park and then we have to subtract the area of the road. Now at last we have to give answer in hectares. Okay. Now let's start from figure, that what should be our figure for this figure. So for this question, so you can see here, this is our figure for this question. They are our two crossroads and this portion is occurring in both. So let's see how we have to do it. Now the question is, from the question it is given that length of park is 700 meter and breadth of park is 300 meter. Then the area of the park will be length into breadth because it is a rectangular park. So the area of the park will, you can see here what we have to do. We have to multiply 700 with 300 and we will have our area of the park in square meter. Now let us assume that ABCD is the one crossroad and EFGS is the another crossroad. You can see in the figure, ABCD is one road and EFGS is another road. Now the length of ABCD crossroad is 700 meter. As we all know that the length of ABCD is same as the length of rectangular field, and length of EFGS is the breadth of the field, that is 300 meter. Now both crossroad have the same width, which is of 10 meter. So then the area of ABCD will be length into breadth. So its length is 700 and breadth is 10. So it is 7000 meter square. And similarly, area of EFGH will also 300 into 10, that is 3000 square meter. Now area of the central portion IJKL. This is our one crossroad and this is our another. And this portion they are talking about here, IJKL, and it is in shape of a square with side 10 meters. So its area is 100 meter square. Now to find the area of road, what we have to do? We have to add the area of this road and the area of this road. Then we have to separate this area once because it is occurring in both the roads. So the area of crossroad or area of roads will be area of ABCD, that is this road, area of EFGH, that is vertical road, and we have to minus area of IJKL from it. So the answer is 7,000 plus 3,000, 10,000, and we have to minus 100 from it. So our area of road will be 9,900 square meter. We know that now we have to convert in hectare. So we know that in 1 hectare we have 10,000 square meter. So what we have to do? We have to convert by dividing 9,900 with 10,000 and our answer is 0.99 hectare. And finally we have to answer the area of the park excluding roads. So the area of park was this, that is 2,10,000, and we have to minus area of road which is 9,900. So our area of park excluding road is 2,100 square meter, and we have to convert it in hectare by dividing it with 10,000. So our answer is 20.01 hectare. Okay class, I hope this is very easy. What you have to understand, you just have to understand the figure of the question. Figure is the important thing. When you understand the figure of the question, then question will be easy to solve. Let's move on to the next question. Through a rectangular field of length 9 meter and breadth 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angle through the center of the field. Now we have same figure for this question and the width of road is given as 3 meter. First we have to answer the area covered by roads. So we will use the same method we used in question number 6. Then after that we have to find the cost of construction of road if rate is rupees 110 per meter square. So first we have to find the area of the road. So we have the same figure. We have length of field 90 meter, breadth of field 60 meter. So the area of field is 5,400 square meter. Now let's come to the roads. One of the road is ABCD, another is EFGH. And the length of ABCD will equal to the length of the rectangular field and the length of the EFGH is equal to the breadth of the rectangular field. So now both cross road have the same width 3 meter. So the area of ABCD cross road will be 19 to 3, that is 270 meter square, and area of EFGH is 16 to 3, that is 180 square meter. Now we know that in both the roads this central portion is occurring twice, so we have to minus that area. Now the width of road is 3, so the area of this portion will be 3 into 3, that is 9 square meter. So the area of road will be area of road ABCD, area of road EFGH minus area of IJKL, that is central portion. So the area of road is 441 square meter. Now we have to answer the cost of construction of road if the rate is 110 per meter square. Then the cost of constructing the road which is of 441 square meter area, we have to minus 441 with 110. So the cost of constructing that road is 48,510. Okay class, so this is easy. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 8. Question is, Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut the length required of the cord. Means only use that much length of cord which is equal to the circumference of this circular pipe. Now she wrapped the same cord around a square box of side 4 cm. Now we have to answer, did she have any cord left after wrapping this square? So let's see. That means in this question what we have to do, we have to compare the circumference of circular pipe and perimeter of square. And we have to answer whether the perimeter of a square is equal or smaller or larger than the circumference of circular pipe, and by how much. So let's see. From the question it is given that the radius of circular pipe is 4 cm and side of square is also 4 cm. So first we will find the circumference of circular pipe. That is, we can also call it as perimeter, but for circular thing we have a particular name which we term as circumference. So the circumference of circular pipe, the formula is 2 pi r. So 2, we are using here 3.14 as a value of pi and radius is 4 cm. After solving this, our answer is 25.12 cm. Now we have to find the perimeter of square of side 4 cm. So the formula is 4 into side of square. So 4 into 4 is 16 cm. So you can see here clearly that the circumference of circular pipe is much larger than the perimeter of square. So we can say that the length of cord left with Pragya, for this what we have to do, we have to minus perimeter of circular pipe. That means we have to minus perimeter of square from perimeter of circular pipe. So we have a length 9.12 cm which left over with Pragya. Okay, so it is a very simple and short question. Now let's move on to the next question. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Now we have to find so many things. First is the area of the whole land. So it is very easy. It is given that it is rectangular. So we have to just use formula L into B, that is 5 meter into 10 meter. So the area will be 50 meters square. Next is, you can see the solution also. The length and breadth of lawn is given 10 and 5 meters. So the area of lawn is length into breadth, that is 50 meter square. Now the second part is we have to find the area of flower bed. So you can see here that it is a circular flower bed and its radius is given 2 meter. So its area will be, which formula we have to use? Pi r square. So you can see here the solution. From the figure, radius of flower bed is 2 meter and we have to use formula pi r square. It is square. So we have to put the value 3.14 for pi and radius is 2. So square of 2 is 4. Now multiplication of 3.14 and 4 is 12.56 meter square. Third part is we have to find the area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed. So for this we have to minus area of this flower bed from area of this rectangular field. So we have both the areas. So what we have to do, we have to just minus second answer of second part from answer of first part. So you can see the solution. The area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed equals to area of rectangular field minus area of flower bed. That is 50 minus 12.56, and we have answer 37.44 meters square as area of lawn excluding the area of flower bed. Now the fourth part is we have to find the circumference of the flower bed. So we have radius, we can easily find by using formula. So the formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So we have to put the value of pi and r here. So we are using here 3.14 as pi's value and 2 is our radius. So our answer is 12.56 meter. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 10. In the adjoining figure, in the following figure, find the area of shaded portion. So you can see here in first part what we can do. This is our rectangular figure. So we can easily find its area. First we have to find the area of this rectangular figure. Then we will do one thing. We will find the area of this triangle. Now we know that the area of triangle is base into height. So it is its base, it will be its height. So we can easily find the area of this rectangle. Similarly, we can find the area of this rectangle. Then we will add this area and we will minus their addition, their sum with the area of this rectangle, and we will have the area of this shaded portion. And the same thing we will do in second part. First we will find the area of this rectangular figure. Then we will find the area of this triangle and this triangle, and we will add all the three, and then we will minus their sum with the area of this rectangle, and we will have the value for this shaded portion. Now you can see that the base is 10 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter, and its height is 20 and base is 10. So if this is 20 and this much is 10, so it is obvious that this is of 10 centimeter and this is of 10 plus 10, 20 centimeter. So second part you have to do yourself. Let's see the solution for the first part. To find the area of EFDC, you can see here EFDC is our shaded portion, EFDC. So what we can do, first we have to find the area of both the triangles and rectangle. So the area of AEF. So AEF, you can see here for AEF we have 10 and 6 dimension. So we can take any of them as base and any of them as height. So the area of AEF is half into base into height, that is half into 6 into 10. So our answer is 30 centimeter square. Similarly, area of triangle EBC, you can see here this is our EBC and its dimension is 8 and 10. So we can take any one of them as base and any one of them as height. So the area of EBC is base, half into base into height, that is half into 8 into 10. So the answer is 40 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of rectangle ABCD. So we all know that the length is 18 and the breadth is 10. So the answer is 180 centimeter square. Then we have to find the area of shaded portion by subtracting the sum of both the triangles, the sum of area of both the triangles from the area of rectangle. So our answer is 110 centimeter square. In the same way you have to do the second part also. Now let's move on to the next question, which is question number 11. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD, and we have given all the dimensions. That is length of AC, which is 22 centimeter, length of BM, which is 3 centimeter. So see, we can find the area of this quadrilateral by adding the area of these two triangles. So to find the area of this upper triangle, this is its base and its height. Similarly for the lower triangle, this is the base and this is the height. Now let's see the solution. From the question it is given that AC is 22 centimeter, BM is 3 and DN is also 3. And we all know that BM and DN is perpendicular on AC. That is, they could be considered as height. To find the area of quadrilateral ABCD, first we have to find the area of both the triangles. So the area of triangle ABCD is half into base into height. So the base is 22 and height is 3. So the area of triangle is 33 centimeter square, and same dimension is for the lower triangle. So its area is also same, 33 centimeter square. Then the area of quadrilateral ABCD will be the sum of area of both the triangles. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 33 plus 33, that is 66 centimeter square. So class, as we see that all the questions and their figure looks typical, but they are quite easy and interesting also. So you have to practice all this question by your own. We will start our next chapter in our new class, in our next class. Till then, thank you.